Hi, folks. Paul Walsh here with my friend Michael Dobbs on our latest installment of Forecast Effects, the effect of weather on retail and CPG, and how we're helping companies actually leverage that data to improve their business. One of the things that we get asked a lot is, how do I get started? How do I begin to integrate weather information across my enterprise? And really, it requires a very thoughtful process, but it's really worth it, because the one thing that I've been saying for many, many years is that the value of integrating weather data into a business is much larger than many people think. In fact, we ran a survey about 2 years ago across 1,000 C-level executives all around the world, and we asked the question, what do you think the value would be of integrating weather insights into your supply and demand chain? The value that they pointed out to us was anywhere from 200 to 500 basis points of total revenue across the entire business. So it's a really, really big number. In fact, to put some perspective around it, for every $1 billion in revenue, that represents an incremental $20 million. So it's a big thing that we're talking about. The key is approaching it in a systematic way that enables you to get started quickly and efficiently and be able to generate ROI that you can build off of. And with that, Michael's going to take you through the approach that we take with the clients that we work with every day.
Thanks, Paul. So what we're really talking about here is, how do you stop using weather as an excuse and start using it as a force to really help you drive your business? That's what this whole series of videos is about. And as Paul mentioned, we get asked a lot, how do I get started? So we find the process is actually relatively easy, and the goal is to do it quickly, get started quickly, and in a very inexpensive way, so that you can learn and move forward implementing these learnings into your business. We start with what we call a design thinking workshop. We get together with members of your team and members of our team, and this is a very agile, collaborative process in which we talk about the different things that really affect your business, and we create a prioritized list of the projects that would best use to really move this forward in your business. So once we have that, we create what we call a garage or a learning lab, in which we have our data scientists together, and we're using the data in order to understand how to best affect your business. These will often last somewhere between 4 and 6 weeks. It's a quick process. And from there, we work to create an ROI, to understand what this is really worth to your business, and then a roadmap to help us to understand, first of all, how to implement it in your business, but then second of all, understand what the future projects are that would make sense to put through a learning lab, so that you can continuously improve your business and continuously find ways of generating new funds and new profitability moving forward. So this is the way that we find it's very useful to get started, and would love to talk to you more about this. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to either Paul or to myself, and we thank you for listening.